Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, DOOGEE X97 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So first you need to remember one rule: never fill up your internal storage over than 70%. Because if you fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start slowing down. So if you have filled up your storage over than 70%, just free up the space. So to check the storage, you need to open settings, then scroll down, find here about phone. Here you will have storage, and as you can see, I have used only 10% of 64. So click on it. Here you will see the graphic, and when you have the blue line, it's over this point, so it means that you have filled up your storage over than 70%, and it means that you need to free up the space. To free up the space, you just need to remove photos and videos from your device or move it to the flash drive or to the computer. And of course, you need to remove unused apps and games. Okay, and great. The second step you need to improve your phone stability is to clean your RAM, but you need to do it from time to time. I suggest you do it several times a day. So to do it, just click on this button and just click clear all. And as you can see, I have free up 2 and 3 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes and 300 megabytes of RAM. But RAM is really important part of our system because all processes are running at the moment. They are running RAM, so as you can see, it's very important. And the third aspect is harmful files, but you can really fastly remove it from your device. To remove it, you just need to open security. Security is pre-installed app on your device. So just find it, and here you will see cache. So click on it, and as you can see, here we have the button of clean the cache. So just click on it, and as you can see, I have cleared the cache on my device. And of course, here we have speed up feature, so I suggest you speed up your device too. And as you can see, I have freed 200 megabytes of RAM. So great, that's it. Repeating this process from time to time, you can have your device always in good condition. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.